what is entertainment? Entertain, right? That's something to make you feel happy or to make you satisfied, right? Okay, so but before we're gonna start our lesson today, I have a quote for you guys. So my quote is when I say one, 2, 3, 4, 5, you have to say 6, 7. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7. Good job. All right. So when I say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you will say 6, 7, and that will make you quiet. All right. I have some mini games for you guys. So it's called Dharma Freeze. I will say the verb, and you will stand up and do that what I said. And when I said breathe, you will breathe in your act. All right? Okay, everyone stand up. Cooking. What are you gonna do when you're cooking? Okay, cooking. And freeze. Okay, so what are you doing? You're cooking, right? Okay, next one. Watching sport program. I'm watching sport program. Watching sport program. Okay, freeze. So, what are you doing? Watching sport program, right? Okay. Watching horror movie. Right, horror movie, okay. Freeze. What are you doing? Watching horror movie, okay. Okay, everyone, sit down. Thank you. Alright, so, but before we're gonna do the activity, you have to know the vocabulary and the structure, and the last one is the storytelling. I will tell you about the story of two people. Okay, I have the rules. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Okay, I have the rules. For the vocabulary, you have to listen twice. The first round, you have to listen carefully. And the second round, you have to listen and repeat. Okay, the first round.
Film.
First round. Okay, the second round.
Film.
Film, right? Okay, let's see what does films mean. Films mean a series of moving pictures. Do you know what is pictures mean? Pictures. Good job. Pictures. It's when you take the picture of the camera, right? Let's see what is the example. The example said, I like watching films. That means he likes watching films. Okay? So the next word. The first round you have to listen.
documentary,
Second round.
documentary,
Documentaries. Documentaries. So documentary is mean a film or television or radio program that give facts and information. Alright, so what is facts? Mean facts. F-A-C-T-S. Facts. It means the information that is real, that is so that it's real in science. Let's see the example. I like watching documentaries. Good job. Okay, turn the first round.
the news,
The second round.
the news,
The news is information or reports about recent events. Okay, so the news is someone that reports you about what is happening or what is going on in our city or our world today, right? Recent event is mean now. Okay? Let's see the example. I watch the news on TV. Okay, so who likes to watching the news? The news. So many people, right? So, which? Okay, thank you. Which program that you are? Right? He's on what? What program? What is the name of the news? Moon. Right, okay. Okay, alright. So, we're gonna learn about how to write comparative adjectives. Comparative adjective, we know comparative adjective. What is comparative adjective means? So we use comparative adjective to compare about two things. Right? How? Let's see. So the structure is you have to add subject followed by verb to be and followed by comparative adjectives and followed by noun. Then and noun. Okay, so everyone repeat after me. Subject. Followed by verb to be. Followed by comparative adjective. Followed by then. Followed by noun. Okay, what is subject mean? The subject mean. What can be subjective? What can be subjective? He, she, it, I, you, we, they. Right. Verb to be. What about verb to be? Is, am, are. Good job. Comparative adjectives. Okay, let's see the example. Subjects. Okay, let's see the example of the sentence. Cartoons are funnier than the news. Everyone, cartoons are funnier than the news. Okay, best subject. Cartoon, good job. And what is verb to be? Are. And what is comparative adjective? Funny, right? So the base form is funny, but funny, F-U-N-N-Y, right? Funny, but it's funnier because we change the adjective to comparative adjectives. It's gonna be funnier, and followed by then, and followed by the new is now. Okay, so let's see. What we're gonna change adjective to comparative adjectives. Okay, for the rule one. The word that's one syllable or two syllable, you have to add er to make the adjective change to be comparative adjective. For example, fast. What does it mean fast? Fast. When you move quickly. Alright, when you move quickly, fast. Okay, so how are you going to change into adjective comparative? You're going to add er to make it be faster, right? So, what if the adjective that's more than two syllables? We're gonna add more. Just only add more, right? So, the example, interesting. We're gonna change it into comparative adjective. We have to add more, and it's gonna be more interesting, right? Let's practice. The first one, wildlife documentaries are than the news. So the adjective is interesting. What if we're gonna change it to comparative adjective?
More interesting.
Add more. Good job. So it's gonna be wildlife documentary are
More interesting.
more interesting. Right, good job. Okay, what about the second one? The second one, game shows are then talk show. The adjective is funny. So how are we going to change the comparative adjectives? Funnier, right? Good job. Because it's suitable, right? You're going to change it to funnier, right? Okay, good job. And the last one. TV series are than documentaries. So the adjective is exciting.
More exciting.
What we're gonna change into comparative? We're gonna add more. It's gonna be a TV series are more exciting than documentaries. Okay, good job. Okay, so I will tell you about the story of two people. That is named Matt and Clay. Alright? Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, so this is my friend Matt and Clay. This is Matt. Matt is like watching documentaries. He thinks that this is interesting because he will know about the animals. Wow. Okay, and Matt is watching documentary on channel 4. At 5 p.m. on Sunday. And sometimes he watch the news. But he thinks that the documentary is more interesting than the news. But he thinks the documentary is more interesting than the news. Right? So this is Claire. Claire is like watching American TV series. She like watching American TV series. But she watch them on streaming app because she will watch the TV series anytime that she wants. Right? And Claire Orange hair.